I loved you for years. 2 years of quietly waiting, hiding feelings, convincing myself that being close was enough. I memorized everything about you. Your laugh, your silence, and how your eyes sparkled every time you talked about the things that you love. Until one night, with trembling hands, a heart too full, the weight of my chest got too heavy to carry in silence. Finally, I told you everything finally. I am sorry, you said. 2 words. Those were just 2 words. Kind, gentle, but enough to break everything what I had held for too long. So I let the needle tell my story to say, I felt something real. I felt something real. Stars that reminded me of your beauty. A moon that symbolized the light you brought into my world. A flower that reminded me of your existence. And a day, the first time I saw you. I loved you deeply, patiently, and fully. But I couldn't hold you, so I carved you in me. Wherever life takes me, you will always stay here.